Hi, it's Steve and Pam for ADM at Indo Pacific 2025, and I'm with Georgia Davey, who's a program manager for NORSTA in Darwin. Welcome to Sydney.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to Indo-Pac. It's a long journey to get here for you.
Sure is. Weather was a bit difficult last night, but we arrived and we're here now.
Okay, fantastic. So NORSTA is a reasonably new name in the defence space. Can you explain who you are and what you do?
Sure. So NORSTA is the regional maintenance provider for Darwin and Cairns, and we provide maintenance services to defence vessels that visit or are home ported in those locations.
Fantastic. Okay, so the name NORSTA is only a couple of years old, but there is some expertise behind that though, isn't there?
That's right. So NORSTA was a brainchild of Varley Group and a couple of shipyards, TRS and Norship in Cairns, and they came together and really wanted to create a company that was sovereign owned and all about industrial capability, regional development and engagement with our expertise behind them.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about what kind of services are encompassed in your umbrella?
Sure. So we provide maintenance-centric services to Maritime. So obviously we've got project management resources, scheduling, engineering, supply, industry engagement and development, safety, quality, all those good things that go along with providing a holistic service to defence.
Excellent. Thanks, Georgie. And we're now going to meet Blake, who is representing the Northeast.
That's right.
Blake Wilson heads up the Cairns operation for NORSTA. Hi, Blake.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. So what's different about what happens in Cairns compared to Darwin?
Oh, well, other than better weather, it's basically the same. So what we do is obviously the same as up in Darwin. We make sure that the vessels for the Commonwealth are supported, and we provide deep level maintenance on the whole Commonwealth fleet.
Okay, so in terms of the division, it's primarily geographic.
Yeah, absolutely. They're two different contracts that the Department of Defence put out to market, and NORSTA being the successful tender on both.
Okay, so the next question, I guess, is since you're fairly new as an entity, what's new, what's next for you?
Yeah, well, we've spent the last couple of years consolidating, really building our deep level experience. Obviously, we're backed out by Varley Group and Tropical Reef Shipyard, so we've got over 130 years worth of experience in the Australian business landscape. But what really sets us apart is the fact that we're a completely sovereign-owned and sovereign-controlled defence contractor for Department of Defence, and we're looking to expand that service and provide that throughout the broader Pacific and Asia Pacific region. So that's really what we're focused on. Excellent.
I imagine there's quite a few opportunities and hopefully a lot of opportunities here to meet some of the relevant people for that.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's really good to meet lots of people.
So if people haven't met you on the stand, what's the best way for them to find you?
Yeah, well, best way is to come to the stand. So we're here on the inter-government stand. We're also hanging around the Queensland government stand because obviously we're in both. And if they really need to contact us, they jump on our website and they can actually find our contact details and talk to us whenever they like.
Perfect, and we'll have those details in the description below as well. Thanks very much, Blake.
Thanks so much.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.